I've made my way through.
Sucks.
I made my way back to 3 Dog. Let's go find him.
Hey, all right! The hero of the wasteland returns.
Thanks, 3 Dog. I was just glad to help with the good.
Hey, you're the one that deserves all the thanks. You struck a major blow against tyranny. Now, GNR can be heard clear across the capital wasteland again. That'll give Eden and those muties something to think about. But before I get back to my calling, I bet you want to hear about your dad.
Please.
Whoa now, dry your eyes. A promise is a promise, and I will provide. When your dad passed through here, he and I talked for a good long time. He was a real stand-up kind of guy. He mentioned some scientific mumbo-jumbo which didn't make sense to me, and mentioned something called Project Purity. He also said something about going to visit a Dr. Lee in Rivet City. Then he left in a hurry.
Rivet City?
You've never heard of Rivet City? Wow. Just wow. Well, a whole bunch of people got together and turned a beached aircraft carrier into a town. Pretty cool, huh? Just follow the river south from here. There's no way you can miss it.
Right.
Anytime you need a place to crash, duck in here. Be glad to provide.
Largest level of tools. One, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the educated perk, you gain 3 more skill points every time you advance in a level. This perk is best taken early on. I might actually take that one. So, let's make our way to Rivet City. And let's not get stuck behind the door.
Let's see the super mutants try and take it.
So, looking at my map, the best place to go would be... I'm reckoning Wilhelm's Wharf. Yeah, Wilhelm's Wharf it is. So let's follow the river. Should have gone to something completely different, but yeah. I will meet you at Rivet City, and if I see something along the way there, I will, well, I'll meet you there. One raider. Two raider. Three raiders. Murder image. I will be looking here. Shotgun shells. Not much else in that. Oh, see you. 10 millimeter rounds. Well, let's continue on.
Paradise Falls to the Republic of Dave. We're coming to you loud and proud in a special live report. But Three Dog, you're in that cool radio station.
Ah, first centaur. Thank you. I killed the fucking centaur. Nothing in it though. Anything in here? No, I don't know where I even clicked. Take the bottle caps. Shit. Beauties. Just trying to avoid that a lot. As best we can. Do not like taking on super mutants. So, there's Rivet City up in the distance. This is a mutant camp right next to Rivet City. Let's try and be sneaky about this. Or not. That's you. No. Goes on a long time.
What? Who? You mean, are you for real? I'm safe? I need to get out of here. Here, take these supplies. It's all I have, but they'll only slow me down.
No, you need it more
Okay.
than I will. Ugh. Oh, that's a nice amount of rounds. That should be speech increased by 1. No, no. Alright, so we're almost at Rivet City. This is Rivet City, as you can see. And
Oh, thank God. Oh, please. Welcome to Rivet City. Please wait while the extends.
Hold it right there. State your business in Rivet City.
I'm looking for Dr.
Yeah?
Lee.
Let me guess. No, she's not expecting you. But it's really important, and you need to see her right away. Been a lot of that going around lately, and I've had just about enough of it. So you're going to have to do better than that.
Hey, it's no big deal. I just need to see her for a minute, and I'll be gone.
Fine, just don't bother her. She's real busy, what with all her work. She's up in the science lab.
Thanks
Carry
for the
on.
help. Go to the stairwell. That's right. Go to the stairwell.
think I'll walk the flight deck.
Hey there.
Okay, that wasn't meant to happen. Let's load me coming into the upper deck again. I wasn't expecting to get locked in a room.
Hello.
Hello again, Flack. Like I said, was really not expecting getting locked in a room.
For the most advanced scientific center in the capital wasteland, I find your...
Look, Dr. Zimmer, we've been over this. We don't know about your runaway robot, and we don't care.
Look, this is a restricted area. I'm tired of telling you people. It's you. My heavens, you look so much like him. You're James's son, aren't you? What are you doing here?
How do you know who I am? Have we met?
You were too young to remember, and I suppose James never spoke of me. Typical. I'm Dr. Madison Lee. I worked with your parents many years ago. Now I run the science lab here in Rivet City. It was all I had left. When your mother died, your father decided to leave with you. He abandoned our work. We had no choice but to do the same.
I'm trying to find my father. Have you seen
haven't?
him?
I assumed he sent you here. For that matter, aren't you supposed to be in a vault? James said he left you there.
This isn't about me. This is about my father. Now, where is he? Please?
Your father is no longer here, and I'd appreciate it if you didn't use that tone with me.
I'm sorry. Could you please tell me where
Your
he's
father
gone?
insisted that we return, telling him too much time has passed. There's no way it would work. Predictably, he refused to listen to me. He says he can prove it will work and headed off to the old lab. I'm sorry, I don't know what else to tell you.
Where is this old lab of
It's
yours?
in the old Jefferson Memorial Building, northwest of here. Please, don't go after him. It was foolish of him to even think about going there alone.
Right. So,
Good luck
I have
finding
to
your
go
father.
now.
This lab is dedicated to solving real problems.
Right, so, as you may have worked out, we are now at Rivet City. And I know this isn't such a big episode, and I know it's just very simple of me just walking to. But
Hey, be more careful.
I'm going to leave it here because there's stuff I need to do at Rivet City. Go to the market and then leave that way. I think. Yeah, there's a lot of things to do in Rivet City, so
Welcome to Rivet City Supply. I've got a little bit of everything here.
once I've remembered how the hell to get out of here.
Hey. Hey.
Yoink.
Hello.
Hey.
That's the flight deck. It's outside, it'll do. So yeah, let's make our way to the quickly make our way to the Jefferson Memorial. So, why is it telling me I need to go that way? Just go to the Jefferson Memorial because the game has decided it doesn't like the fact that I'm doing something different. So, I think that's it for this episode. I know there's not much in it, and I know it's pretty much me just walking place to place, but for now, guys, I think that's it for this episode. So, remember, guys, stay awesome.